Hey guys, welcome back to Coaster Jack. I'm going to give you guys a quick little construction update because I noticed some of the cement has been dried in the footers here. Looking over the fence at the old go-kart area, we can see they're working on it. They've got some new concrete poured over there in the back, and they got some forms ready to go, ready to be poured.
Try it out today.
So you can see progress is coming along on this project pretty nicely. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can get more of these updates. Thanks for watching.